Hi and welcome to Scratch Programming Basic to Expert. My name is Abdullah and I am a software engineer and an instructor to a lot of students learning programming languages such as Java, C#, VB and many more. In this course we will learn Scratch, which is a fun language designed by MIT which lets you create your own games, applications and stories. It is a block-based programming language and looks just like game, and you don't even require anything to download on your computer. You can just start straight away. We will go through everything starting from basic code blocks, and I will explain each and every code block available to us in Scratch one by one in great detail. Yes, you heard that right, each and every code block. This Lego looking piece that you see is an actual code, and you will learn just to create that in this course. I will teach how to create cool animations, visual effects, and a lot of games ranging with different level of complexity. So here we will learn by practicing. The lessons are carefully designed in such a way that they will target specific programming concepts like loop, variables, conditions, and these concepts are relevant in all other programming languages as well. I have used my teaching techniques on many students in the past and have taught 7-year-old students, university students, as well as my own niece and nephew who now write their own games, mobile and web applications, so you are in good hands. This teaching method is proven to be effective and makes learning complex programming topics simple and fun because we learn a lot in this course. We will learn algorithms, object-oriented, messages and event-based programming, which powers almost all the latest technology today. The games we will make in this course are carefully chosen to maximize fun while learning. So let's see how we will start. We will look at code blocks in each and every category one by one, and we'll make small program which shows how they work. We will then look at motion, work with sound, costumes, and we'll make cool animation along the way, and once we have seen all the code blocks we will jump right into games. We will see balloon pop game, which is a very simple game which allows us to pop the balloon coming on our screen. We will then code shark attack, in which our score will increase whenever our shark eats the fish. We will also make math program game, in which our code will ask random addition and multiplication questions from us, and then it will calculate the final score at the end. And finally we'll create clone of many popular games which are loved by everyone, like Alien Invaders, Dino Rush, Flappy Birds and many more. So if you're a parent and want your kids to learn something new which is fun, exciting and will help your kid to think logically, this course is designed for you. Even if you're new to programming, you have come to the right place. Programming is one of the most important skills in 21st century, and as Steve Jobs said, everyone should learn how to code. I loved making this course and can't wait to have you in this course and share my knowledge with you.